Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 37 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now, we are currently at 8,470 listings that are running on our account. Let's go ahead and check our orders. I believe we had around 16 orders that came in today, starting from top 70.60, 49.60, 20.60, 18.60, 16.40, 30.60, 20.60, 63.60, 3.60, 44.60 plus $20, 13.60, 37.60, 43.60 plus the $20, 16.40, 35.60, and 35.60. Let's go ahead and check our performance and see how we've been performing. Okay, we're currently at 12.6 million impressions. That has converted into 14,523 listing views. We are at 207 quantity listings, so minus the 15 that came in the next day. So we are currently at 192 sales. Our click-through rate is 0.1%, followed by our conversion rate is 1.4%. Let's go ahead and check our impression. So we had around very close to 1 million impressions on that day, and we had very close to 1,000 listing views, if not 1,000 views. Let's go to our quantity sold. As I mentioned, there's 16. 11 of them came from promoted, while the 5 came from organic. All right, guys, everything is looking as smooth as it could be. About 2 days ago, I already hit that $1,000 profit mark that I wanted to achieve. So technically, I've already fulfilled the challenge. However, I just wanted to take it a step further and show you guys what is achievable if you were to push it further. Now, I could go ahead and fire up another eBay account to increase my income. And obviously, that involves a system, that involves a structure. You can't just go ahead and start listing. You need a warm-up phase. You need to know what you're doing. You need a proper system to even push this store further and still become profitable, because if you mess up at any stage, eBay is going to catch up to it. They do have the systems that are in there. They are tracking your metrics in order to know whether you're a good seller or you're a bad seller, or a good seller can turn into a bad seller, or a bad seller can turn into a good seller. So they have to keep a metric to how you're running your store at all times. So guys, the people that try to do this DIY it, they usually fail. They need somebody that's going to sit down and teach them. Now, I do have a simple guidebook that I've written myself, which you can access through my WhatsApp group. So join in there if you're still not a member and ask for the guidebook. However, if you want the mentorship where I can sit down and take care of you and the account that we're starting one by one, which is going to get you from 0 to 100 in a matter of, I will say, about a month or two. And in my opinion, that's the most valuable thing that I could possibly offer to you as of right now. And also, if you want to partner up, reach out to me and then we'll take it from there. Anyways, without further ado, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video. Stay tuned and take care of yourself.